Hi friends, so today this video we are going to talk about ChatGPT, which has taken the world by storm. So ChatGPT is probably the most popular topic in the AI world and in the business community, in the online business community nowadays. And of course, there are a lot of YouTubers making a lot of YouTube videos on the topic as well. But today we are going to cover some very basics of how you can utilize ChatGPT in your normal day routine and what it is really good for. So let's really go to ChatGPT website and let's see what we have there. ChatGPT. So you can reach a ChatGPT website through simply writing ChatGPT in the Google search box. Click on the link from openai.com. You're going to come here. And it's free for now, but due to the level of detail and due to the level of accuracy and astonishing kind of details that bot provides. So I do not really expect it to be free for a very long period of time. So anyways, I mean, it's a different topic to talk about. So now we are going to go to the ChatGPT webpage. It's going to take a while. Checking for connection. It asks you to log in. So I'm going to log in. I'm going to log in using my Google credentials. And asked me to log in. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to blur my credentials just for the sake of this video. But anyway, bear with me while I log in into the ChatGPT. Okay, there we go. This is a free search preview. And let's see what we have here. So ChatGPT can be used for content producing tasks, even can be used to produce high level code, which might not be that much correct, but eventually we will do something about ChatGPT today. So we will try to generate some content with that. So for instance, you can write with ChatGPT about tell me to write about some kind of very bizarre topic that I do not know about. So for instance, I'm not really somebody who is into the health and fitness domain, but eventually I would ask ChatGPT to give me 5 top exercises for triceps. So I'll just write here, give me, or sorry, write 10 topics on muscle and fitness exercises. There you go. So it will just produce 10 topics for me for muscle and fitness exercises. Now, if I want to jump into the details, it will really, at that point, if I want to just get some details about the resistance training and muscle hypertrophy, which I don't know about, so I'll just ask it to give me more details. Write me 200 words article on resistance training. Oops. So I'll just hit enter, and it will start giving me all the details about the resistance training, which is actually so it's really mastery of a document. So it will explain everything about resistance training in 200 words that a person should know, and it will give a very high level view, but it will be enough for you and me to understand what a resistance training is, and that's really fascinating. Now, another thing you can do with ChatGPT is that you can really write high level code on that. And once this article finishes, so I'm going to write some code. So show me an example of let's say PHP login script. Have a look at this. It's going to write a raw PHP script that is going to, if I copy that script, it's going to allow me to, just with a little tweaks, it is going to allow me to create a PHP script that will allow me to log in. So this is another quality of ChatGPT. So that's a full script, by the way. So I know PHP, so that is something really, really fascinating, and it works. It will work. So it's it's eventually producing PHP script plus HTML as well. That's mind-boggling. So it's a very powerful tool. So for instance, I want to do some product research, so I can again, write some, or maybe ask some suggestions from ChatGPT. So give me top 10 categories on Amazon.com. Oh, there you go. So it's giving me top 10 categories on Amazon.com. Electronics, fashion, books, home and garden, beauty and personal care, grocery and gourmet food, toys, kids and babies. Oh, it's producing everything. So yeah, so these are just a few use cases of how you can use ChatGPT, but bear in mind that there are a lot of people using ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is, and you will see that it is producing similar content. So if I ask the same question, so it's going to produce the same kind of content for me. So there might be some plagiarism involved as well when you would copy the same content and somebody else would copy the same content. So you might have to do some work on ChatGPT. But this is what AI is all about. So it's something, it's marvel of an achievement by OpenAI. So they have done something, and they've actually given us proof of how powerful AI can be and how powerful it is going to be in the future. And it might just kill the jobs for a lot of people. We don't even know about it. Anyways, we're going to meet in the next video. Thank you very much for watching this. It was a short one, but in the next video we are going to bring some use cases of ChatGPT, plus trying to make we're going to try to make a startup website using ChatGPT, and probably in some future content we are going to produce some YouTube videos with ChatGPT as well. Thank you very much for watching. Take good care. Until next time. Bye bye.